sun shines. It's me, Pepette, the smartest chihuahua in the whole doggy universe. Today, I'm going to teach you all about the 4 seasons. Oh yes, I've got the perfect outfit for each one, obviously. Let's start with spring, shall we? Yum! Strawberries, flowers. Spring is delicious. Pepette's picnic isn't some rough camping trip, okay? It's pure style. Check out my boots. Way too fashionable for planting potatoes. But who knows? Maybe I'll dig up a bone if I'm lucky. All right, hop on, my little buds. Let me show you my spring Chihuahua star style. It's me, Pepette, the most fabulous flower-powered cyclist of the season. Summertime, just look at this. The sun, the sand. I'm sipping my milkshake and tanning my tiny paws. So glamorous in the sunshine, right? The life of a star is exhausting, you know? But summer's no time for lazy pups. Woohoo! Look at Pepette the surfer girl. Okay, I lost my blow dry, but I didn't lose my style. So fab. Next stop, Vegas, baby. And now, look at this. Captain Pepette at the helm, full speed ahead into adventure. And wait, a little parachute jump to top it off. Woohoo! I'm flying, Pepette style, of course. It's autumn, my friends. The leaves are falling. There's a little chill in the air. Time to bring out my star quality coats and go for a jog. Gotta keep this fabulous figure in shape. Uh-oh, it's raining. But I'm strutting through New York in my ultra glam raincoat. Gotta go. My taxi's here. Off to my VIP party. And guess what? It's Halloween. I dressed up as the cutest little witchy wawa ever. Humans can't resist my look. I'm collecting so many treats. Check out my magic broomstick. Here we go. Full speed, paw power style. Brr! It's winter and it's freezing, but I'm ready. Hold on tight. We're heading off on a frosty adventure. Check out my frosty little face. Still super stylish, of course. Wow, Pepette's jumping. Oops, I forgot to brake. Let's find out if snow is as soft as it looks. Look, I traded my pink outfits for a Santa Claus look. Gotta think of you, my little wolves. Time for gift-giving Pepette style. I tried to hide behind the Yule log, but it was way too small, so I decided to eat it instead. Yum! For New Year's, I invited all my friends. We danced, laughed, and had the most pawsome party of the year. Whoa! Fireworks just for me? The Eiffel Tower is shining almost as brightly as my beautiful eyes. Let's review to see if you remember the 4 seasons correctly. Spring with its beautiful flowers and birds singing all the time. Summer, to get some fresh air and enjoy those well-deserved holidays. Autumn with its lovely colors, perfect for going on walks. And winter with snow and gifts, of course, if you've been good. So, my little sweethearts, did you enjoy my adventures? Spring on a bike, summer on the waves, autumn in the leaves, and winter in the powdery snow. I'm a true 4 seasons Chi-Chi. And you, what's your favorite season? As for me, I just can't decide. I love them all. See you soon for more adventures. And don't forget to give Pepette a like.
Be sure to subscribe. More fun is coming your way.